Alright, what's up YouTube gang? This your boy Byshaad from Byshaad. Welcome to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also like this video. Comment down below on what you think about this video. Help support your kid and hit that notification button. So let's go ahead and get into this video. I got another sneaker custom for you guys, and it's a quick, easy custom that's dope. We'll be dealing with some butterfly bindles and a heat iron. So that's all you need. Butterfly bindles and a heat iron. I make my butterfly bindles, but you can get them from Etsy's, and you know, you can just type it in Google and let Google work for you. So I got 3 colors, one size. So we got some blue, then we got the orange, and then we got pink. Hopefully it focuses in for you guys. Hold it long enough. Okay, there you go. So that's the pink. Let me go back to this orange. Let it focus. Orange. You see how nice and crisp and clean these are. These are HD bindles. Blue. Scratch-proof bindles. Flexible. Very durable. So if you don't know how to customize shoes or you don't have the proper equipment, I got the link down below on where you can purchase these dope customs, and I'll hook your feet up and put some heat on your feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I did the left shoe. I'm gonna do the right shoe for y'all real quick. And this is for my customer. I know she's gonna love these kicks. These are dope. I love to wear these all the time. So let me go ahead and show y'all. I got just 3 on the outside of the shoe. So I got the blue, orange, and then the pink. So yeah, this is what we're going to get into today. This is going to be the final shoe custom. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this video. I have my iron on. Clover. Go ahead and let that focus on. Come on, baby. Alright, there we go. This is my iron. I'm on medium setting. It's on. And it's pretty hot, so make sure you're on medium or low. Don't go high to high setting, because that will burn your bindles, and especially these HD printed bindles. And all you don't even really need no tools. So like I said, we are going to get into this. So we're gonna have the blue in the top, kind of facing to the laces. We're gonna have the orange facing upward to this point of the swoosh. Then we're going to have the pink in the back facing towards the front of these laces, the inner sock liner. So, got the plain kicks right here. And we're going to go work with the blue. All you need is like 10 seconds on these bindles, and it should be good to go. You might have to do a little bit longer to make sure it gets that nice secure fit. And these are flexible, so it will bend with the shoe if you want to place it somewhere where the shoe creases, where the shoe crease at. So all you got to do is, well, with mine, I'm not sure it will be for a different person that make these, but all you got to do is pull this up. It's a transfer paper on it, so the bindle is stuck to it. I'm going to heat this side, and then the back side, which has like the sticky stuff, will stick to the shoe, and this will be out on the front showing. And this is the wax paper for it that it comes with, well, that I'll use for mine. So I'm going to place it just about in the same vicinity as the other shoe, so just about right in here, just about like that. So I'm gonna, it's sticky paper, but I'm gonna hold this side and do this first to get this secured, and then I'm gonna go and move and do that. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to push it down real fast and put some heat on it before it sticks up. And see how I'm going in circles. If you hold it on too long, it will burn the bindle. Because it's heat, it's hot. It will burn things. So that's why we use the transfer paper. But it will if you leave it on too long, it will burn the shoe. I mean, burn the Vindle, and could burn the shoe. So, just going over it. The transfer paper is sticking up, so it will come off. The transfer paper will come off, but I don't want it to come off yet because I want to make sure that it's nice and secured down so it doesn't peel up. Put a little extra heat. Put a little extra heat on the end points. Voila, magic. Look how clean that is. Alright, then I'm gonna put that down. Put my iron in a nice safe place so it doesn't burn anything. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get to the orange. Take that off real easy, real easy. And I'm gonna place this just like that, a little tilted, and have this point facing to that point. Then I'm gonna start up here. So go ahead and place my iron on the top. Get that iron down. Then I'm gonna go up to this little spot, try to get in the crack, but not too much. You get in the crack too much, it will burn or rip your Vindle. Because this is a sharp point, so you gotta think about that. Then I'm gonna go under the shoe, under the swoosh, I mean. Under. Get that bad boy down there, nice and secure. Boom, boom, voila, voila. Get a little extra. Read all about it. Y'all know where that's from. How we looking right there? Okay, we getting there. Just one more. Alright. Last one. Then I'm going to face this last one to this side and place it like that. Like that. So I'm going to hold this piece. I'm going to do it sideways, but I'm going to hold this piece and start right, and start right there. So go ahead and put some heat. Watch out that you don't burn yourself. And the rest is a go-go. Not like go-go beat, but you know. Don't worry about if it's creased, because it will come out. You will heat that out. And I got this little piece left. And then we are working. And there you go. Quick, easy, and simple for a pretty, nice, clean, dope custom. It looks painted. It's glowing. It's glowing. Scratchy scratch. No coming up. Scuff proof, waterproof, all that. Yeah. Alright. Now that we finished with this simple custom, nice and easy. It didn't take too long. I hope didn't bore y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. I know this is part y'all been waiting for. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what these kicks look together side by side, and then this beautiful lighting I have in this room where I do my customs. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so here we go. Ooh la la. Try to make sure I get that focus in on it. Nice, clean. Clean. Oops, oops. Let's try this version. Let's try that version. Oh yeah, that's some heat. That's some heat for your feet. Whew. Contagious. Oh yeah. And you can get as many of these vinyls you want wherever you purchase them from, and you can add it all over the shoe wherever you like. You don't have to do it this specific way. You can add it in the inner as well, on the midsole a little bit. Don't do it too low in the midsole because it will come up, or you know, as you walk it will scratch it too much. But yeah. Oh, didn't mean to drop the shoe. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like it, even if you didn't. I like it. Get my likes up. Subscribe to my channel. Trying to grow this channel and get some dope customs out there to people that want to try or that need some kicks. Links down below into everything I use in this video. Supplies to my camera, to my website where you can purchase these from. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. Comment below on what you think of these dope custom kicks. Would you rock? Would you try to do it yourself? Have you done these before? Have you seen these done? I mean, have you seen anybody with these on? Yeah, and that's it for this video. Thank y'all for watching, and thank y'all for y'all support, and I'm out.